Rain, snow, sleet, or hail. We are out in Mystic Lake in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Brand new venue. Absolutely beautiful venue. We're going to get you guys some shots of the entire venue as we've gone around and do the installation this week. One of the important things about this one is we actually are hard hat and high visibility vests because there are a lot of places that are still heavily under construction. Electrical wires, they have cranes overhead, lots of cool things happening all around us. But also one of the cool things that we're going to show you is, while we're installing the point of sale, we're going to show you what those specific components do to assist with that point of sale and all the different accessories and different printers, all the different things and add-ons you can place with each point of sale and how they are beneficial for venues, restaurants, all the different places that could possibly need a point of sale. So without further ado, we're going to take you guys around and show you what's going on. One of my favorite things about doing these point of sale installations, especially for the larger venues, is creating a rhythm and a system that works for, your work style and stuff like that. Because at any point, somebody can walk in and they have a question about one of the service areas or whatever the case may be. And you gotta be able to walk away and come back and know exactly where you left off. So it's important to create a system. I have my ones that are done, updating, and these ones still need to be put on the Wi-Fi. And once those ones are put on the Wi-Fi, those will move over to my pile of updating. And then I need my codes for all these, and then they can move over to this pile. It just creates a nice flow. And that way also when another coworker of mine walks in at any point, they know exactly where we are. So these ones have to get done, these ones are working, and this one's done. All right. So that's one of the important things that we usually stress as much as we can, especially with, large venue on-sites, so that things are not falling through the cracks and stuff like that, and, items come up missing or, not configured properly. As you can see now, after creating my rhythm, I still have my ones that are updating. These are the ones that are configured. So again, somebody can walk away, they see the sheet, they know what they need to provision, walk over here, grab as many as they need according to the specs that we have, and they get those devices rolling. All about keeping everything organized at all times so that anybody walks away, we are certainly capable of picking up where they left off. As you can see, they're already getting ready for their first event. It's kind of like a premier access hallway to the upstairs, where they'll have bands and the friends and family or any VIPs of that list. So right now what we are doing is we are heading up to the upper plaza. I'll show you guys around a little bit before we go up there. I just re-glued these. We have to be super careful when we're in here. We have to see where they are. So they are currently doing the tarp on the top on that side. Otherwise we'd be hard hat only. But we can take a quick peek real quick. Brand new venue, absolutely beautiful. So now we're gonna head out of the box, up the ramp. We'll go to the upper plaza. This is what they call the backyard. Outdoor dining bar area. Bars inside. Also a really great view. You got everything around you. The racetrack there next door. The amusement park is on the other side of this. Actually go that way and show you that. All right, merchandising, which is always outsourced. That's never done by the point of sales that we normally install for the venue. Then we have 8 shipping containers placed in the backyard, upper level plaza. And then the wonderful thing is that they have a huge space surrounding the backside. They have 14 food trucks all around the backside. And then they have a fire truck that's going to be up here as well. Every event, which is pretty cool. And then another merchandise shop. And then so today we have to configure all 3 of these massive bars up here. They wrap all the way around to the south side. So we're going to continue where they left off yesterday. Keep the ball rolling. Get this knocked out. And then we'll go from there. They have their media tour going on the other side. So we're going to steer clear of them for a little while. But absolutely beautiful view up here. I mean, look at this. You can see all around you, 360. Definitely a cool venue.